battery's gonna die. What's going on? So brakes failed. There's a little slit right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that line at the right there at the tip has like a little slice. Brakes are just leaking out. I'm just about to leave too. Good thing it happened here right by the house. But then also I gotta fix this. As you guys can tell, she's sitting a certain type of way, right? She's sitting pretty low. Why? I gotta get some bags. It's not one thing, it's another, but I still love her. Oh, she's sitting. Yeah, get the suspension links. Once I get the links, I'm gonna do a video on that. It'll be my first time freaking learning how to do that too, but it seems pretty easy. Staring at it. What's going on, family? What's going on? Good morning, YouTube family. 16 works, family. How's everyone doing? Today we are going to be working on the brakes. Passenger side brake line hose failure. That's my motor. Air rest still working. We're gonna do this right here. Brake line hose. It went on me. One thing after another, but I still love her. Get her fixed up. Alright, so right now I'm just gonna put the camera down for a little bit, take the tire off, and I'll show you guys what really happened. Alright, yeah, I need to get some tools, people. Oh, wow. Slammed. Air in the back tire. Yeah, I need to get some tools. Sorry for the shadow. That's my next purchase is tools. So, this is what it is. This piece right here on the brake line hose split. I've heard that anything from 2002 and up, when it comes to the Mercedes MLG R class, obviously they're all kind of like the same when it comes to the brake lines. So it's a pretty easy job. Oh, can't see. But this right here, I believe that is an 11 or 14. Unscrew that, and you gotta unscrew that. But when you unscrew this, this is the brake line. So some fluid is gonna come out of here. Cap it with your finger. Then you just simply follow the line and take everything out. When I take the line out, I'll show you guys. I kind of want to do it two-handed, but we'll see. Stay tuned, people. Please stay tuned. Alright guys, here goes nothing. I'm gonna attempt to change this brake line. It shouldn't be that hard, but we'll see. Let's go, alright? Oh, it's done. Alright, you're not supposed to use a knife, but that's all I got. Come on. Uh-oh. What does there? You know, guys, I'm gonna put the camera down, and when I get closer to the job, I'll pick this back up, because yeah, can't be doing this one-handed. Yeah, I'm upset. I'm not gonna stress about it. So this right here, that's the brake line, right? As you guys could tell, I was trying my best. Let me go in a little bit more. That right there is stripped. Now I don't have the tools to unstrip it or do anything like that. You see all that rust? All that rust is annoying me. I had everything out. I had this clip right here out, because you gotta take this clip out and this clip right here out. Now there's a clip that goes around here that wraps down here. This is the line that actually broke, if you guys can see. See that right there? That right there is where it's split. All you really gotta do is loosen that bottom one right down there. This one right here. And just run the new line. But that is my problem right there. So yeah, I'm gonna take it to the shop. Good morning. Good morning, family. Today's a new day. Continuation from the last video. We're gonna bring Raven here, my baby. We're gonna bring her over to the shop. I did try to attempt to do the brake line hose myself, but like I said, and like you guys would see if you guys watch the video, that one little screw right there, or nut, or whatever you want to call it, I just could not get it unthreaded, and I didn't want to break it, so I am going to bring it to the shop. Stop car is too low. I gotta fix that, and my airbag driver side is popped. I had a leak in it since I bought the car. It's had a leak in it, so yeah, I gotta fix that. Fixing the hose, still gotta get an oil change, but yeah. Warm this thing up because it's cold. Stay tuned, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna get footage of them doing the brake line hose, but I'll show you before and afters if I can. Ooh, yeah. We got her back, guys. We got her back, family. We got her back. I like the way she's sitting right now, honestly. But the guy was telling me I'll get the bag for it, but then I have to calibrate it, which I did not know. But I guess that's the thing for a Mercedes and Range Rover, the guy was saying. So that's something that I gotta do. Something I gotta do now, you know, so I can calibrate it and everything will be working fine. Other than that, she's back. Hello, Raven. Welcome back, girl. Oh man, it feels so good. I love this car. I really do. Ooh. You probably see me just trying to take a picture of my car. Thumbnail. But yeah, she's back. I like how she's sitting. I like how she's sitting right now. I'm gonna see if I can get I'm gonna get the end links. So she's sitting like this. Fix that exhaust. It sounds bad. But yeah. On the road. Let's go.